Unwanted and forgotten wood and metal often begin their second lives in silence, stacked in corners of workshops, rusting behind factories, or abandoned after construction and demolition projects. Yet within these discarded materials lies an extraordinary potential to become useful, timeless decorative furniture and crafts that are not only practical but deeply economical and emotionally resonant. When viewed through the lens of creativity rather than disposal, aged timber with nail holes, weathered grain, and sun-faded tones reveals a character that newly milled wood cannot replicate, while worn metal bearing scratches, patina, and signs of labor carries an industrial poetry shaped by time. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Each video is carefully created to take you on a complete journey, from raw ideas to beautiful finishes. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. The transformation of these materials into functional art begins with a shift in perception, recognizing that imperfections are not flaws to be hidden but stories to be preserved, and that history itself can be a design asset. As artisans and woodworkers reclaim old beams, pallets, factory offcuts, pipes, brackets, and machine components, they engage in a process that merges craftsmanship with conservation, reducing waste while unlocking value that would otherwise be lost. The resulting furniture and decorative crafts possess a depth that mass-produced items rarely achieve, because each piece embodies a narrative of renewal, resourcefulness, and respect for material heritage. Tables built from reclaimed planks become more than surfaces. They become anchors of memory within a space. Shelves fashioned from scrap wood and metal brackets serve not only as storage, but as sculptural elements. And lighting fixtures assembled from salvaged steel and aged timber cast warmth that feels grounded and intentional. Practicality plays a central role in this movement, as reclaimed materials often offer exceptional durability, having already proven their strength through years of use in demanding environments, making them ideal for furniture meant to endure daily life. Economically, the appeal is equally powerful, since sourcing unwanted wood and metal significantly lowers material costs, allowing makers to invest more time and care into craftsmanship while maintaining accessible price points or achieving higher profit margins. This balance between low input costs and high perceived value is what enables reclaimed furniture and decor to stand out in today's market, where consumers increasingly seek authenticity and sustainability alongside beauty. Functional art crafted from salvaged materials satisfies a growing desire for objects that serve a purpose while also enriching the emotional atmosphere of a home, offering a counterpoint to disposable culture by emphasizing longevity and intention. Each joint, weld, and finish becomes an act of storytelling, turning fragments of the past into cohesive designs that feel both modern and timeless, capable of fitting seamlessly into contemporary interiors while retaining a sense of rootedness. The sustainability aspect extends beyond environmental impact into cultural significance, as reusing materials fosters a mindset of mindfulness and appreciation for resources, encouraging both makers and buyers to value what already exists rather than constantly seeking the new. This approach resonates strongly with modern homeowners who want their spaces to reflect personal values, creativity, and a connection to the natural and industrial worlds, blending rustic warmth with refined simplicity. From a profitability standpoint, reclaimed wood and metal furniture occupies a unique position where craftsmanship and conscience intersect, enabling small workshops and independent creators to build distinctive brands without relying on large-scale manufacturing. The uniqueness of each piece eliminates direct competition with mass-produced furniture, allowing makers to command attention and loyalty by offering one-of-a-kind designs that cannot be replicated exactly. Over time, this creates a sustainable business model rooted in consistency rather than excess, where every offcut and scrap can be reimagined into a smaller decor item, ensuring minimal waste and maximum value extraction. The process itself often becomes deeply satisfying, as working with reclaimed materials requires problem-solving, patience, and intuition, fostering a stronger connection between the maker and the object being created. This human touch is evident in the finished work, where slight variations and hand-finished details communicate care and authenticity, qualities that buyers increasingly prioritize over perfection. As these unwanted materials are reshaped into benches, cabinets, wall art, planters, and mixed material furnishings, they prove that functionality and artistry are not opposing forces, but complementary ones, capable of coexisting in pieces that are both useful and visually compelling. In living spaces, such creations act as focal points, sparking conversation and grounding rooms with a sense of history and purpose, while in commercial settings, they convey values of sustainability and originality that resonate with conscious consumers. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and helps shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Ultimately, the journey of transforming forgotten wood and metal into timeless decorative furniture and crafts reflects a broader cultural shift toward intentional living, where beauty is found in reuse, sustainability is woven into design, and profitability emerges naturally from thoughtful creation. These functional art pieces stand as quiet yet powerful statements that what is overlooked can be reborn, that waste can become wealth, and that when creativity meets responsibility, the result is decor that is not only practical and economical, but enduring, meaningful, and profoundly human. Building upon this philosophy, the continued rise of unwanted wood and metal into useful, timeless decorative furniture also reshapes how people relate to the objects they bring into their homes and businesses, transforming everyday environments into reflections of intention and care. When a chair, table, or storage piece is made from reclaimed materials, it carries an honesty that is immediately felt, because its surfaces are not pretending to be flawless, but instead celebrate the marks of real use and real time. This honesty creates a deeper emotional bond between the object and its owner, encouraging longer use, better care, and a stronger resistance to the cycle of replacement that defines disposable consumer culture. From an economic perspective, this emotional durability is just as important as physical strength, because furniture that people feel connected to is far less likely to be discarded, repaired rather than replaced, and even passed down or resold with pride. For makers, this translates into reputational value, as each piece becomes a quiet ambassador of their craftsmanship, spreading recognition through word of mouth and visual presence rather than advertising alone. The profitability of reclaimed wood and metal furniture is further strengthened by the flexibility of design, since these materials invite adaptation rather than rigid uniformity, allowing creators to respond quickly to market trends, custom requests, and spatial needs without costly retooling. This adaptability also protects small workshops from economic volatility, as reliance on discarded materials reduces exposure to rising raw material prices and supply chain disruptions. On a broader scale, the movement redefines luxury itself, shifting it away from rarity achieved through excess and toward value created through care, craftsmanship, and conscious reuse. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, So feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.